know we're acting stupid. We're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. But I feel so young. Drunk, never so weird enough. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now, trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we don't. It's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh. Look at everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. I just can't give up. I just can't. Give up. I've been caught up since the day that we met, and you haven't seen the best of me yet.
Well, there you go. Pen done. This pen is a Taylor Midfield's Zeta kit, and the pen blank is from them as well. It's actually a old whiskey barrel, and it smells a little bit of whiskey. So, but the grain is really nice. It's a nice oak. The grain is really gorgeous, and this is for TJ's Woodwork. Sorry for the delay, TJ, but I hope you appreciate the pen when it gets to you. It's going to go all the way over to America, and it was fun to make. A bit late, but at least I did it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Ta-da! Oh yeah, if you like it, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Leave a comment below. It's always nice to read your comments. Visit the website createtomate.net. Facebook, I'm over there. And also, I'm on Instagram a lot. And yeah, I'm coming up to 2,000 followers on Instagram, so that's good. So see you again. Ta-da!